You need to hear this if you're a fan of herbal teas. Ever tried Mullein Tea? Let's dive into why you should. Mullein Tea is more than just a warm, comforting drink. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamins that support your immune system. Feel like your throat is a bit scratchy? Mullein Tea has been used for centuries to soothe respiratory issues. It's great for your lungs and helps you breathe easy. And guess what? It's super easy to make. Just steep dried mullein leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Add a bit of honey if you like it sweet. Not only is Mullein Tea beneficial, but it's also caffeine-free, making it perfect for those relaxing evenings. Plus, it's completely natural, so you know exactly what you're putting into your body. So why not give Mullein Tea a try? Your body will thank you. Cheers to your health!